Yes,
Okay, you
sir.
ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a replica of this page right here.
Huh?
Okay, so yeah, it's a replica of this page. Only thing is at the header, at
Hmm?
the top of the page, we're going to have these boxes here,
Hmm?
which are pretty much the same boxes that appear in the home page, right? The index page.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and with this appropriate text.
Yes, sir. What it
Okay,
is?
now I'm going to go back to the index page here.
Hmm?
Okay, so with this calendar here,
Hmm?
or this employee schedule page,
Hmm?
we will delete this calendar here, this calendar on the left hand side,
Hmm?
and we will take this box so it's the full width of the page, right? So it looks like this. Okay.
One second. Okay. Can you switch the window?
Okay. Okay, so we'll close this, we'll delete this calendar
Okay, okay.
and
That's
make
full
this
window.
employee schedule box the full length of the page.
Okay. Yes. Next.
And we'll also just have a drop down menu here where it's, gives you the years.
Hmm?
So here it says 2017 employee schedule.
Huh?
Okay. And one important thing to note is that currently when you click on the calendar, like let's say you click here,
Hmm?
10 a.m. to 11 a.m.,
Hmm?
this is actually giving you the employees start times and end times, right? For their hour. For Monday, February 16th, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. That's
Hmm?
giving you the employees start time and end time for work.
Hmm?
Okay? And when you click on it, you get this the calendar here again, right?
Hmm?
What I want to happen is this when you click on like Roosevelt Kuya, the employee's name, this calendar will appear. Okay. However, when you click on this 10 a.m. to 11 a.m.,
Hmm?
this will be a different pop-up. It'll just give you the option to change the times. So for now, I have not yet. So for now, we'll focus on making this
Hmm?
Roosevelt Kuya or whatever the name might be to
Hmm?
bring up this calendar,
Hmm?
and the times will bring up another page for the times.
Hmm? Hmm?
Okay, so it'll be almost like think of it as a separate link,
Okay, sir.
right? So this links to the calendar,
Hmm?
which we already have, and this will link to something else.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so for now, we're just going to make this the full width of the table is going to be the full width of the page.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And here we've added the
Yes.
just the text recent locations, and
Hmm?
we've dropped down the tag inputs in
Hmm?
this line, so it's no longer just in line with the employee schedule page. It's dropped down.
Hmm? Next.
And notice the two dots here.
Hmm?
Okay, so when you hover over it, notice how it highlights blue, right? Then there should also be two boxes or just the two little dot icons
Hmm?
that gives you the options recurring schedule and
Hmm?
delete schedule.
Hmm?
Okay, recurring schedule has a star next to it.
Hmm?
Okay, and the delete schedule would delete the schedule, but that's for the programmer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And here at the bottom, we have January to December. These are just the months.
Hmm?
Okay, and there are three dots in between each month. And the reason for that is that this table here shows
Hmm?
you it shows you 2 weeks, right? So that's 14 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so let's make it show 14 days.
Hmm?
Or actually, hold on one second. Let me just regather my thoughts here.
Sir.
Actually, no, don't worry about the date. So it's fine as it appears here.
Hmm?
The only reason, just to give you an idea why I put the boxes, is because it navigates in between each just navigates between the dates within the month. So
Okay.
for here, if I click on January, it's gonna give me the first, however many rows in January. If I click on the second, it's gonna give me the next set of dates, and the third will give me the next set of dates for January.
One
Now once I
second.
click on
One
February,
second.